Before you sow the salad, check out this ice trick. This way I get perfect rows and a much higher yield. The tiny lettuce seeds have always been a problem for me. Either I plant it too thick or it doesn't sprout properly. So I started doing this, and the difference is huge. I put 2 to 3 lettuce seeds in each ice cube. I will fill the ice cube tray with water. I take the ice mold to the freezer to freeze the water. And we go to the garden to plant. The soil must be loose and slightly moist because it is difficult for lettuce to thrive in hard soil. Lettuce seeds are planted shallowly. I make a planting place 1 centimeter deep. The distance between planting places is 10 centimeters. The distance between the rows is 25 centimeters. Lettuce seeds are planted in March and April, or September and October. I put an ice cube with seeds in each planting spot. As the ice melts, it provides moisture exactly where it is needed and holds the seed in place. That's why it sprouts evenly and without thinning. Just lightly tamp the soil. Now I need wood ash. I sprinkle some wood ash around the seeds. It has proven to be excellent pest protection for me. Once every 10 days, I water with natural nettle fertilizer for lush growth and green leaves. If you liked the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, friends.